Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ClickUp for Kanban and automations, full guide step by step clearly. In the address bar, type www.clickup.com and press enter. Once the ClickUp homepage loads, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on it to create a new account. You can choose to sign up with an email address or use an existing Google account for faster registration. If signing up with email, fill in the required fields, including your email address and a password. After filling in the details, click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. Next, you may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from ClickUp and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the ClickUp website and log in with your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be prompted to set up your workspace. Choose a name for your workspace that reflects your team or project focus. After naming your workspace, select a color theme that suits your preferences. Once your workspace is set up, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard. To access Kanban features, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and find Spaces. Click on the New Space button to create a dedicated, name your space relevant to its purpose, such as projects or tasks. Customize your space by setting permissions and adding members, if necessary. After configuring your space, click on Create Space to finalize it. Now, within your space, click on plus New Board or Add View. Choose the board option to create a Kanban board layout. After creating your Kanban board, start adding lists to organize your tasks. You can create columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done to follow the Kanban methodology. To add tasks, click on the plus icon in your Kanban board's columns. Fill out the task details, including the title, assignee, due dates, and priority. Now to set up automations, navigate back to the main dashboard. Click on Automations in the left-hand sidebar. Here, explore predefined automation templates or create your own. To create a custom automation, click the Add Automation button. Define your trigger, such as moving a task to a specific column. Next, specify the action that should occur when the trigger is activated. Configure additional conditions if necessary, then click Save. Review and test your automation to ensure it works as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.